Secretary, of course. We thank you so much. Kasi kung wala kayo, walang Samiweng.
Ay meron tayong isang judge na magko-comment po sa kanila. Okay? And then after which, at the end of the show, the chairman of the board will give his overall and general comment towards the idols for tonight.
And that is Sir Vicky. Okay, are we now set for the solo for our contest proper corner?
Huwag na natin matagalin pa.
Yes.
So, we move on with our first grand finalist from Barangay Tatabanga.
To sing Ikaw Sana.
Ladies and gentlemen, Samiweng Idol number 1, Robert Fabro.
May kapit pag-deliver sa mga roles mo. At ngayon, relax ka at gusto mong makuha ang title na Samiweng Banna 2011 Season 5. So, good luck, Robert.
Thank you so much, Sir Zoe and Robert. Okay, let's move on to our next contender. And she's from Barangay Hilario to sing Greatest Lovable. Please welcome Miss Karen Respicio.
To make it easier, let the children laughter remind us how we used to be. Everybody's
Pastor Arma, your 2 cents and our singing anthem for tonight.
Hello. Good morning, Banna, and good morning to everyone. Congratulations, Karen. You performed to the most of my expectations.